The world has changed and expectations are now higher than ever for our schools. Budgets and labor contracts may continue to be a challenge. How do we provide a safe, healthy learning and teaching environment for our students, teachers, and staff? As a member of SSS, we are in a position to help you meet the new expectations for the new normal. We are more than your local source for cleaning and maintenance supplies. We believe together we all have a responsibility to keep our schools clean and healthy, and we help you design solutions that will keep your students and staff protected. And with our new Partners in Protection program, we make it even easier. It consists of our collaborative cleaning process, which has 3 steps. Step 1 is establish for protection. In this initial phase, we work together with your team to establish best practice protocols to meet today's increased standards. The goal is to ensure that your students, their families, and the faculty are confident that the school is taking all steps necessary to provide a safe environment. We will look at the new ways to clean and disinfect your facility. And other key elements of this step include hand hygiene and personal protection protocols, a communication plan, and social distancing practices. Step 2 is educate for protection. Once we establish our plan, we teach your constituents best practices and protocols on how to protect everyone who comes into your school. We'll provide the tools, training, and technology to keep everything and everyone working together. Step 3 is inspect for protection. Keeping your school clean and healthy requires inspections and monitoring. Our app-based inspection tool is easy to use, and it makes sure inspections are performed correctly. Just a few taps on a smartphone or tablet is all it takes. The new normal requires new thinking and new ways of doing things. Contact us today to learn more about how our Partners in Protection program provide a safe, healthy learning and teaching environment for your students, teachers, and staff.